Kung meron man tayong susuportahan natin sa M7 wildcard, sila na yun.
Awat ah!
LG are your champions!
Sila ang Radiance Legend Gaming ng Vietnam. May dalawang PH imports dito, mga Lodi. Kaya bawing-bawi sa trash talk pag inunahan mo sila. Pero ano ba nangyari? Ba't gano'n na reaksyon ng RLG?
Boss! Musika!
Sa Vietnam MLBB Championship nga pala nangyari to, mga Lodi. Grand Finals ng RLG at SGP. Unang nakamatch point ang SGP. 3-1 na magiging standing kaya nagkaroon ng early celebration.
Draft is paying off for SGP. They are in match point. One more game to the wild card.
O di ba akala sure win eh. Pero pumuso ang RLG dito at makakadalawang sunod pa sila.
Tries to fight back. Ashrin is far away from the fight. AOG hits onto everyone. And Joe, the jungler is out. Daylight is doing it. Ashrin gets a kill. But Molly still trying to survive here. Endless shards. 7. RLG has done it. We're going all the way. SGP threw away their chance.
And 3 times in a row, they have the advantage. They have the match point.
A few moments later.
Sa Game 7, wala na. Di na pinaporma ng RLG ang SGP dito. Inabot na ng halos 9k golded dyan, no?
From Malik, and now Joe wants the kill, but looks like it was a suicide mission. Daylight has more damage even with the revitalized. There's nothing the Pancake can do. This is desperation. Malik goes in for the fight as well, but Daylight
Kaya sa paparating na M7 wildcard sa January 3, pwedeng pusuan tong RLG ng Vietnam.
the S right, the Lord is in. Ashri used the Ogi Shadow kill. There's no way that they can do this. RLG are your champions.
Ang saklap din, no? Para sa kalaban na team, isipin nyo, isang panalo na lang na wala pa.
These are your champions, Radiance Legend Gaming SE. After an intense best of 7, after losing 3-1, they turn it around and become the champions of DMC MLBB.
Emotional, damn it!